On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up?
MiniTruck. MiniTruck's been working super hard. Let's give her a little treat. Let's take Mini to the car show. We'll even bring Whitey along. Let's go to the car show in the Milford, Mini. Hey.
Did you register?
No.
You didn't?
No.
It's alright. No worries. So it's $20 for registration?
Can you break like 100?
Yeah.
It's a Hijet. It's a Hijet.
A Hijet. Wow, it's got a chainsaw on the front. You say thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's 80, sir.
Thanks.
How you doing today?
Not bad, you?
That little K-truck, man.
Thanks. Hey, there's Gary.
Oh, that's sick. Dude, this thing's cool. I'd love to take this thing for a tour.
Thanks. Oh, this thing goes off-road like crazy.
What the hell is it?
It's a Hijet.
Can you put like a small block Chevy or something in it?
They do, but then you gotta kind of get the back end raised.
Oh, the motor's like right here, right?
Yeah.
What kind of motor's in this?
That's a 3-cylinder. Yeah. 660 cc's. You see it? It's like laying flat totally. Well, they were 2-stroke and then they went 4-stroke. I couldn't even find any soap. I was like, I just sprayed it down. I came over. Yeah, I figure I'd strap it in. I saw you coming in and Chris is here.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah. I don't even know what class it is. There you go. Dump. Dump truck.
Probably the only one here.
That means I'll win. I'm the only one if there's a dump truck category.
How does he drive down the road? Smooth?
With these tires, it's a little noisy, but they were worse with the other ones. It actually rides pretty smooth though.
Yeah.
See, I got my remote. Wait till I hit the air horn, someone touch it. A lot of people here, huh?
Yeah.
No face mask.
No.
Well, they put all the tuners together. Who's that? Oh, that's Racers.
Yeah.
See, Matt could have took his bike.
Could have.
A little Ford Fiesta. What is that? That's in good. Yeah, it is a Fiesta. That thing's in good shape.
You just don't get the plug in, you're like, yeah. Drive the top one each row.
Lambo. '57 Willie CJ3. That's a nice old Land Rover there.
It's all decorated.
Nice. Oh, you see who's on it? I wonder if anybody knows who that is.
He didn't take his medication today.
That's alright, none of us did. I wonder how many people recognize who that is right there.
Forrest Carl.
No. That's from, what the heck was that scary movie? He goes, boy! Darn it, I can't think of the name of the movie. Is he gonna be alright? I hate that. Now I can't think of the name of the movie. Oh my god. Oh, that's 280. I had one just like that. 280Z.
So I had to fix that. Make sure it was stored down properly. Right?
That's not original.
It has.
Damn. This thing must move with an LS in it. Oh my god. Damn it, why can't I think of the name of the movie? What bike? That bike?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Batmo bike.
3-cylinder.
3-cylinder, 2-stroke.
16-pound trailer.
That's crazy.
It's like 5 different.
That's like that car right there is like 7 different cars matched together. You got a list in the windshield.
Wow.
This guy's out here doing it.
Yeah, it is. This is sick.
American Graffiti.
Yeah, he wasn't up on all.
Wow. No paint, that's cool. Wow. How many people know what that is? I finally remembered.
Phantasm. The delusion of a disordered mind. A phantom. A spirit. A ghost.
You play a good game, boy. But the game is finished. Now you die.
Got to see some really cool cars, including boosted fab weldings, way before the famed MiniTruck, and of course, racer Miata. So yeah, it was fun. It's getting toward the end of the show, so I figure I'll pull over next to Gary, boosted fab welding, and get a picture. See my light? 6,500.
Really?
That louder? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. See? It's like a Flintstone car. See that thing? Frank! Man, use your horn a lot today, Mini. Oh boy, that thing's smoking. Better check the oil.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.